We've been sharing stories of people who've bravely fought and beaten COVID-19. Tonight, the story of a Staten Island nurse who lost her own mother to the virus as she battled it herself. Here's CBS 2's Natalie Duddridge.
In early March, before Pam Eng ever had to suit up in layers of protective gear, she treated a patient at Richmond University Medical Center that at the time the hospital did not realize had COVID-19.
We just didn't really think about it. We didn't test at that time. We didn't know. And then I got sick. And then other people got sick.
More than 20 colleagues in Eng's ICU department contracted COVID-19. Several also got pneumonia, including her.
When I was getting sick, I didn't tell my family because I didn't want them to worry. I didn't want to tell my mom because she's the biggest worrier, you know? She said, I knew you were sick. You weren't calling back. I knew something was wrong. And then she finally confessed that she wasn't feeling well. And I hadn't seen her in weeks.
Eng was still recovering at home when her 79-year-old mother, Regina, checked into Rumsey Hospital, where her daughter works.
She couldn't breathe. I tried to get in and I was still sick, so they wouldn't let me in. Here I am, part of the hospital, and they couldn't take a chance. So I got a little better, and then I cleared myself to go back to work. And by that time, my mom was on a vent. And so I spent her last days in the hospital with her, pretty much.
Eng beat the virus, but she worries another wave is coming, sparked by protests.
We're just going to have to wait and see. We don't know how bad it's going to be this time. We don't want to see people in the hospital. We'd like an easy summer. We would love that.
Eng's one simple request is that people are considerate and wear masks. Natalie Duddridge, CBS 2 News.